In today's video, I am going to teach how to string very small beads to the thick thread. There are so many techniques for doing this. I tried different technique. I tried first I applied the soap and I made it very hard, this thread, and I tried to string all my beads, but it didn't work for me, and I tried another method but it didn't work. Today I am going to teach one of the best method to string very small beads to the thick thread. For that you need small beads, one needle, very thin needle, and very thin thread, and a thread in which you want to string the beads. For doing this, take any kind of fine thread and very thin needle. Pass your thread from the eye of the needle, and at the end of the, take the two ends of the thread and make knot like this. Just two knots like this. You just make two knots. Keep this knot in the center like this. The needle is here and this knot is coming in the center. You just made loop with the threads. Take another thread in which you want to string your small beads. Just put it like this. Like this. From the needle, start collecting your beads. Just touch the bead and it will enter automatically in the needle. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have got 10 beads in your thread. Just do like this. Pass it. When you reach on this end, just start pulling them one by one, just like this. Do like this, and easily you can just pull them. They will enter in new thread. This is the easiest method to string very small beads to your thread, to any type of crochet thread, or you can use it for knitting also. And today I am teaching this technique, this easiest technique, because from my next project I am going to make this beautiful Oya, and for which I need very small beads. This look really beautiful. This is the one of the simple project with beads. I am going to teach lot of project with beads in the future. If you like my techniques, please subscribe to my channel.